Hi fourth graders. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to subtract mixed numbers. Before we left school we went over adding mixed numbers, but we never got a chance to touch on subtracting mixed numbers. So today I'm going to show you how to subtract mixed numbers using pictures, so area models. I have two mixed numbers ready for us, so 2 1/3 minus 1 2/3. So remember, a mixed number is when you have a whole number with a fraction. The last video showed you how to change an improper fraction into a mixed number. So this video we're going to be subtracting mixed numbers. So first I'm going to start by drawing a picture, an area model of our first mixed number, which is 2 1/3. And how I'm going to do that is I'm going to draw a rectangle, which is our area model. And I'm going to cut it into 3 pieces because 3 is our denominator. Now, one area model is not going to be enough because I have to be able to show 2 1/3. So I need to have 2 whole area models plus another one for the 1/3. So I'm going to draw 2 more area models, cut them both into 3 pieces because 3 is our denominator. So now I'm ready to go, because if I know that I'm going to be shading in 2 1/3, I need 2 whole area models and then one more to show the 1/3. So I'm going to now shade in 2 holes. So shade in 1 whole area model, which would be 3/3, and then shade in another area model, which would be another 3/3, and then I'm going to shade in 1/3. So now I've shown 2 1/3 using pictures. Now to subtract, just like how you subtract whole numbers, we're going to be taking away 1 2/3. So that means I'm going to take away a whole area model. So I'm taking away 1 whole. So I'm just going to cross out 1 whole area model. And now I need to take away 2/3. And whenever I take away the fraction, I always like to start at where the fraction is for the area model, not the whole area model. So I'm going to take away 2/3. So take away 1/3 and 2/3. Now you notice I didn't cross out the blank ones because those aren't shaded in. I can't take away something that's not there. So I only have 2 1/3 to start. So I took away 1 whole, then I took away 1/3 and another third. So that would be 2/3. So now what's left over is your difference, which is the answer to your subtraction problem. So 2 1/3 minus 1 2/3 would be 1/3, 2/3. So the difference would be 2/3. So the most important thing when subtracting mixed numbers is you want to make sure that you start with the larger mixed number, which should be the first one listed. Make sure that you draw the picture accurately, because if I didn't actually show 2 1/3, I can't take away 1 2/3 to get the difference. Sometimes you might have a whole area model left, which would just make your difference a mixed number. So if I had 1 whole area model left, it would be 1 2/3, but I took away 1 2/3, so there's only 2/3 left. And you can even check your answer by adding the difference with 1 2/3. If you add those together, you should get 2 1/3, just like how you would add whole numbers to check for your subtraction.